Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka Victorium, kadukan kitiar kilan met kababhatam hakador kababit, Hanong Tumay Old Beat House Shillong.
Uba lakmen rumboy ubalong Myntri jong ka Tnat ki Pohïing ka Sarkar Jilla, ula khot bat wer ye kinugi brew ki bala ban ai Sakhi, halor ka jingsha thombor jong ki langut ki samla khasi, nakasnong wa kaji, kabala jia haga arpuway trik unay leber 1000 arpuway hamadan golfling, haga por kumbasan baji ay jenmen. Haga jingya keren bat kilat pathay khubor, uba lakmen rumboy ulaong, lada kinugi rew pajba ki wan Shakhmat ban ai Sakhi halor ka niga jingjia, kata kan yarap shikat day namar baki pulit jong ka East Khasi Hills District, kiladap thongru da ka Special Investigation Team ban penlong ye ka jingto kit ka babania halor ka niga jingjia, kanang ban yo kem, ya ki runar ki badan kiti ban syok pun mensaw ye kini ki langut ki samla khasi, kat hadu ba uway ni ki ulaklat no ha ka step jong ka arpu pratarik unay leber 1000 arpu way.
Understand the fact that there is an incident which has happened on that fateful night, and I totally sympathize with the family of the deceased, and I condemn this act of violence against anybody. So it is the duty of the law to see that any perpetrator of this crime to be brought up to book. Having said that, it's not very easy for anybody to just arrest anybody. We have to have a clue. The clue we have to have some sort of proof before taking any action, because whatever action we take, it has to be substantiated. Evidence should be there, so that as and when the prosecution charge sheet have been filed, prosecution started, it should stand with in the court of the law. And as I said before, is quite very unfortunate. And then, but the police has done its duty, and they will do more. In fact, taking into cognizance of this case, the police, the SP, immediately constitute the SIT to investigate into this incident. I hope that the culprit will be nabbed as soon as possible. And I took this opportunity to request also everybody who have the knowledge, who have some clue regarding this incident, they should inform the police so that the necessary action could be taken at the earliest. In any incident, there will be some people who have their own agenda, who will try to keep a misinformation. But as I said, for us, crime is a crime, and criminal is a criminal. So I wish and I hope that the police could immediately, as soon as possible, could identify the culprit and nab the culprit. That for us, there is the criminal has no color, has no community. His color is criminal. See, usually the time frame is for 3 months. But I hope that with the help of the people around us, maybe we could grab at the earliest. So we are not expecting that why we set up the special investigation team to see that this type of thing, because we are very serious with this type of crime. We didn't want this type of crime to happen again and again. So we try to for the speed investigation of this thing, to nab the culprit, and also so that if, let's hope, the culprit be nabbed earliest and charge sheet could be filed at the earliest. Thing is, we have already discussed. We will do what is needed to within the constraint of our force to see that how to police the different part of the city, not only city, on the state will identify, is identified, and we are trying to do what is best for the safety and security of the citizen of the state. What action the police will do, they will do, taking into consideration that safety of the citizen is paramount for us. So I cannot rule out anything on that, because this social media or this media also played a very important role in the mindset of the people. So it may be one of the reasons, I cannot rule out, but the larger context is that there is no crime if we stand unitedly that we could not prevent. So the time has come that let us not look at one incident only. Let us see what happened in last 1 year, what happened last 2 years. And I myself, I try to see, and I'm very disturbed seeing this type of thing, where people knowingly that the consequence of their action, still they are in. And when I see that the people whom I expect that they will protect their own family, they are the perpetrator of that crime, that is very disturbing. So we need to stand up as a society how to tackle this type of thing. But I hope that unitedly we can fight this crime.